Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to run posts with Degree on an iPhone, on an Android device. It works on any platform, any device, and you can use it on any social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever messages. So if you appreciate me making this video, all you have to do is like it for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. So the first thing you want to do is go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and search in Agree Posts. I add posts because otherwise some games popped up. So when you type in Agree Posts, here it is. Install it and you'll be taken to this interface. So you want to click the plus sign, plus button, and here is where you can type the question. What are you voting on? Did you like the video? You can have three options in the free version. So yes, no, and third one, maybe. And then you just click on the check mark at the top. You can schedule it for any time. For example, it ends today. And you can add people by clicking this, the people button at the top right corner. And if I select Facebook, I'll just share it on Facebook or on Twitter, via Messenger, via Snapchat, whatever. It's very, very easy, as you can see. So yeah, if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below.